Well, hello from the Western Hemisphere. Welcome, and here we are in another exciting location. We're in London, by the Tower of London, and we're going to take a little excursion down the river to the Greenwich Observatory.
To touch out to avoid paying an incorrect fare.
So now we're in Greenwich, and that behind me is the famous ship, the Cutty Sark. You probably see it in the London Marathon when all the runners run past it. But anyway, so that's the Cutty Sark, and now we're going to go to where they invented time. Is it cold today?
Yeah, it is cold today.
Are you impressed by the Cutty Sark?
It's very good, look at that, wow. Amazing. I am impressed. I'd be impressed if I get inside in the warm though.
I remember these when I was a kid. Well, the difference between this one for tourists and the real one is the real one had an aroma of urine, but this one hasn't. It's quite fresh. That statue behind me is the famous Sir Walter Raleigh. I like his doublet and hose. I may get a pair myself. Ooh, hello sailor. Mel, which side of the West Reef is best? What's your favourite hemisphere?
Ooh. Not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, the one that makes me taller.
Yeah, you like that side. Well, hello from Greenwich, and we're at the top at the observatory, and I'm in the Western Hemisphere. Those people behind me queuing up to walk over the meridian themselves. So you get one leg in the west and one leg in the east. So we're going to vote. What's your favourite hemisphere?
At the third stroke, it will be 8, 56 and 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
At the third stroke, the time sponsored by Accurist will be 10:46 precisely.
So that was our little trip to...
You didn't know you were filming me?
Yeah, I'm filming you.
Oh God,
so did you enjoy your little trip to Greenwich?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. It's very good. Well worth a visit. I would go when it's a bit warmer. Or remember your gloves.
Yes, I did tell you to bring your gloves.
Is it a thumbs up from Mel?
Yes, it's fine.
It's good. It's more than fine.
Okay.
It's good.
It's the best thing I've ever done in my life.
It's especially if you're into boats and clocks and time in general.
I think old men would like it.
Am I?
did like it.
Yeah. Anyway, on that note, we're off.